Thinking Outside the Box by Ron Strumpf. Most people agree that modular design and service-oriented architecture are desirable goals. A very common design idiom, however, is to look at a product as a box into which features are packed. After all, the more features we pack in, the more valuable our product is to our customer. This model has served us well, but what about our service-oriented architecture? Perhaps we stick with this model because we are already saddled with a box full of features and feel that this is a decision that we have to live with. What if we poke some holes in our box and expose the features of our product via services? This would allow external applications to take advantage of our features and would allow us to use existing functionality without having to build it into our box. This would be a good step. It gives us the services part of our goals, but it does not give us the modularity we desire, and it does not give us true service-oriented architecture. When our product needs a new feature, without a second thought, we stuff it into our box. We have a simple and convenient way to deliver new capabilities to our customers, so why not take advantage of it? What if we decided not to put it into the box? Our box gives us a housing for our features, a UI, direct access to the data, and access to the other features of our product. Delivering the new feature outside of the box will require some effort. So is it even worth it? For many products, the answer to this question is yes. What is the cost of the box itself? Consider the features already in our box. As a box, each time we want to update any feature, we have to update all the features. Updating each feature carries a risk and a cost in time and effort. When we package them all together, we end up with high-risk, high-cost deployments. Incidentally, this also causes customers to put off updates, requiring us to maintain multiple release versions. And so we have a choice. Do we put the new feature in the box where the installation risk and cost is high? Or do we keep it outside the box where we would have a higher startup cost, but where both the product and the new feature itself benefit? Establishing the infrastructure for service-oriented architecture is a one-time cost, while the ability to maintain and deploy our features independently eliminates high installation costs permanently. As for the features already boxed up, there would be nothing to stop us from pulling some of them out of the box over time. Good candidates to move to independent services are those features that carry high update risk or features that are modified frequently. This may not give us the modularity we would like initially, but it gives us an avenue to start moving in that direction. Over time, the size of our box is reduced, and ongoing maintenance is greatly simplified. If we've done our job well enough, we may even be able to update our product through automated patches, with little or no downtime, like an evergreen browser. If we have multiple products, common features can be implemented as shared services to avoid duplication and reap an even greater benefit. It isn't enough to be able to extend the logic of our application via services. We will want to allow for a modular, extensible user interface as well. If each feature has to be built into a single comprehensive UI, then we will lose most of the benefit of our modularity by having to do a full product deployment in order to add or update a single feature. A loosely coupled web UI would give us what we need, but we don't want to have to rewrite our entire UI before we can add the first new feature. One plausible solution would be to add to the UI using configurable web extensions hosted by the GUI in browser controls. There may be concerns that this would be less fluid than a one-piece GUI, but with the ability to deliver more powerful features to our customer faster and safer, the benefits far outshine this concern. Over time, we could migrate to a full web desktop UI or even to a hosted web application. Whatever your decisions, I want to leave you with two thoughts. Think small and think outside the box. Thank you.